Welcome again to Right Style Cooking TV. Today's recipe will be Jamaican cornmeal porridge, and the ingredients are as follows. In that pot we got 6 cups of water, and got 2 cups of cornmeal, gonna use a pinch of salt, one can condensed milk, one teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Okay, I've got the water boiling, and I've put 2 sticks of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt in that water. Now I'll be adding the cornmeal, which I've liquefied with some water. Here's the cornmeal. So make sure the cornmeal is in water and it's liquefied. Okay. Pour in the water. You pour in the cornmeal and you stir. You got to stir continuously, or else the cornmeal will make lumps. You don't want no lumps in your porridge. Okay, so you continue stirring in your cornmeal. If it gets a little thick, you pour more water. Okay, I've poured in the cornmeal and I've stirred it in hot water. I've gotten all the lumps out, and this is the way it's supposed to look. Now this will be cooked for 20 minutes, but when you reach about 15 minutes you can start the seasoning or the sweetening. You can put in the condensed milk, and you can grate the 1 teaspoon of nutmeg in the mix. This doesn't call for any sugar, just 1 can of condensed milk. Okay, it's now time to sweeten the porridge, and I'll be adding 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk. Like I said, I won't be putting any sugar. Okay, after seasoning or sweetening the porridge, I'll do a taste test and add additional spices if necessary. I could put some more vanilla. Okay, it's looking good. I think this milk is enough. And this is the consistency that you want. A nice and smooth consistency. Okay, I'm gonna taste now and see if any adjustment with the sweetener is necessary. Tastes well. The taste is good. Okay, I'm gonna add the vanilla, a little more vanilla, yes. I've added one more teaspoon of vanilla. Just turn it in. Okay, I'm gonna add the nutmeg now. Okay. I've added the nutmeg. Okay, I've done some minor adjustment to the seasoning or the sweetening of this porridge. I have put a little more vanilla and I've added another pinch of salt and grated just a wee tip more nutmeg. But you can sweeten to your taste. I know some people, they make cornmeal porridge and they don't even put sweetener in it. So it all depends on how you want it. You can sweeten it to your taste. I'll be plating shortly. Okay, cornmeal porridge is finished and I've placed some in a bowl. Lovely it looks, it smells good also, and I'm gonna garnish it with some dried fruits and nuts. How lovely it looks. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.